Hello everyone, this is Amoga Maya. So this is my task 2 of data science and business analytics internship in the Sparks Foundation. So this task was all about to explore unsupervised machine learning. So what we learned in this task was about clustering. So the we learned about the clustering problem, and we learned about the centroid model. Centroid model is nothing but algorithm to solve the clustering problem. Then we learned about k-means clustering, which is nothing but a popular method to solve the clustering problem. So then we plot the graph to find the optimum number of clusters required for this method. So using a famous algorithm known as elbow method. So then we plotted the graph and found the optimum number of clusters we required for this project. So we plotted a graph for within cluster sum of squares and number of clusters, and we found out the optimum number of clusters required. Then we found out the optimum number of clusters as 3. So then we applied these values to our algorithm that we created. That is, we imported the k-means algorithm from the scikit-learn library. Then we visualize the data. We use a famous data set known as iris data. So we visualized all the 3 species of the flower. Then we found out the centroid, or the number of clusters we required to predict the analysis of this data.